Hi, welcome back on the Result channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble your Redmi Note 10 5G. In this case, we're going to open it and change the motherboard. And in this case, you can easily change other parts like battery, camera, on even more parts here. So first of all, we need to take in your hand simply hair driver, like something like that, and get some open tool like this to open it. So firstly, let's hit it on the back side and try to open the back cover. Okay, it's hit enough, and now slide gently this little tool in this hole. Whoa. And now use the plastic to slide in. Yes, and with the plastic you don't make any destroy on the back cover. And now slide gently around the phone. This is a very thin plastic card. I'm gonna remove old glue which has biggest point to avoid the bad assembly or back cover when we're gonna finish it. Because I'm gonna be use my silicone glue, and we're gonna leave all the glue, but it should be cleaned with the big point, something like this. Anyway, you're gonna see this on the end of the video, how I do this. Of course, we can use the original glue, but it is cost. Of course, you can do this, and of course, you should buy a new glue. But if you don't want to buy it, you can do same like me. Look at this. It's fabric. Strange thing. Okay. Now we're gonna just easily remove the motherboard from here. Firstly, remove your SIM card slot tray. This phone doesn't read the SIM cards because the SIM card reader was been destroyed, and these screws are green. Seriously? Come over here. Okay. Now we're gonna lift up this port and how is gonna be designed? If I need to remove this old frame, yeah. Seriously? Yeah, I think, yeah. We need to remove all the frame. upside. Whoa, it's cracked. You see? Okay, so we're gonna continue by the down. Fuck me, it's been hilarious. Okay. Now carefully here, because here we're gonna have some flags here and the buttons, so we don't need to destroy, but it's already been cracked, as you see. So we need to come here very gently, because the crack is already here, you see, or this plastic is something difficult to open. Of course, look at the camera here. Don't put your finger here on the lens, because you're gonna have some problem with the camera. Now I have some issue here because the frame is broken. So from this time is broken, and from that other side is broken too. Don't be serious. Seriously? Oh yeah. We're gonna continue from here. Nah. Oh, Flex. God damn it, mate. Come over here, mate. Don't be... Okay, it's live. Okay, now we're gonna be uninstall this motherboard here. Maybe firstly turn off the device. Remove the camera here. So this camera is from middle down, and upper camera. The front camera, the connectors, if been there is some screw. No. Okay, now I'm gonna be clean old paste here and here. Same of course with the motherboard. Put the new paste into the phone. Okay. And now assemble the back camera here with the front camera. all elements are been, as you see, this SIM card was broken. Okay, now gently install your motherboard into the right place. With your fingers, carefully with these connectors. Okay. So there is a down camera and the middle camera. I'm pretty sure they're the same camera anyway. The battery, and now let's try if it's working. This is the fingerprint sensor, so we don't need it here for now. Just press this button and just wait to wake up the phone. Meowie, meowie, meowie. Okay, it's been working. It's working as well, but let's try with the SIM card here. So we need to have a SIM card slot, SIM card tray, something like this, and now put it in the URL hole here, upside down, and put it in right here. Yep. And just wait until the phone. We can't find the SIM2 card. There's like the Michelin. So, and yes, it's been working. Okay, now we're gonna remove this and turn off your phone for now. Turn on it one more time and assemble your frame here. Of course, you can easily change your battery, your charging port here, and many more elements here. It simply is as it is, as is. The main option I show you already here, how to disassemble your phone. and can get access into your phone with the hardware to change everything, every part of your phone. It wasn't been so what's here? There is something here. Okay. It was much easier to assemble it. Okay, there was been two screws here, so the first screw is gonna be here. Okay, and the second screw is gonna be here. Yep, that's right. And now assembling this part and screws all the screws to the back. We are at the end of the operation. For now, it's been 22 minutes. So in 22 minutes, you can easily gain maybe about $30-40. You're gonna be earn, because if you get this phone and go to a Samsung shop or GSM shop or something like that to leave the phone for the repair, they gonna be charge you about $50 or $40 for the exchange. And of course the part you need to buy anyway, and mostly these parts in the service shops gonna be much more expensive than you can buy it on your eBay or Allegro or AliExpress or something like that. Yeah, it's true. So this is the cheapest GSM diff. Power on? Yeah, it's gonna wake up. And now your silicone glue, it's something like that. It's pretty good to service. Now just slide it here around the back cover. Of course, you can buy this glue cheaply on AliExpress. I buy it there, but my glue is a little bit old, I think, because I need to use much power to take it from the outside. Okay, but it's done, and I think it should be have a white color, but now it has blue yellow. So maybe I'm gonna be buy a new one. Anyway, it's been working, so now just easily put your back cover here into your phone gently. Of course, we don't leave the old glue, and let's see, looks like it's look. Now it's perfect, and as you see, we don't need the fabric sticker. Now maybe I'm gonna be turn off the phone before gluing. Okay, this is gonna be go here too, and now gluing. So you can use, of course, some books, some heavy things to stick the back cover into your phone. I have special tools like that. Of course, it was been cheap and cheap. Okay, and now second for here, and that's it. Ha, that's it, fellas. So I'm very happy because I'm done my work. Of course, if you like it, remember to leave the thumbs up because I like it, something like that. Leave the subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!